When a visitor asks for a callback on your site, this is where you catch it. Let's walk through what happens after they hit submit. This is your leads dashboard, the pulse of your incoming buyer interest. New today, unread, and what needs a callback first. Click through to the full list to work leads one by one. Sort by newest, filter by source, or search by phone, however you like to work. Click a row to open the buyer. You see their contact details, the car that caught their eye, the message they left, and every touch you've had with them. Switch to the Follow-ups tab and hit Schedule Follow-up. Pick a date, jot a note, and the reminder pops back on your dashboard when it's time to call again. That's the loop. A buyer reaches out. You follow up on your schedule, and the log keeps everyone on the same page.